India is one of the most dynamic automotive market in the world, which is home to more than 30 brands. Last year, a Korean manufacturer came by and took the market by storm. The Seltos was a blockbuster success. Carnival helped the brand build a premium image, and this is the new Kia Sonet, wild by design. Hello and welcome back to Shutter Drives. Hope you guys are staying safe and healthy. Today we will be reviewing the 1-liter turbo GDI engine which is mated to IMT transmission and tell you how does this Sonet fare.
One thing that instantly catches your attention is a large distinct tiger nose grille which has a 3D geometry kind of finish and is inspired by Indian step wells. The crown jewel LED headlamps and the heartbeat DRLs with integrated side turn indicators give it a wild stance. The fog lamps are placed below, and not to forget we get the front parking sensors too, which are first in segment and are boon in Indian driving conditions. We really love the way the beautiful grille is integrated with air dams that truly gels with the wild character of this Sonet. Although the side stance does look imposing for a car of this size, small bits like the piano black finish on the rear quarter glass give it a premium touch. The side mirrors are electrically adjustable with neatly integrated side turn indicators on them. Not to forget the roof rails are inspired by much bigger SUVs and give it a sense of tough look to the car, although they are just show and no go. Just like the one in Seltos, the beautifully crafted crystal cut alloy wheels of the Sonet does not fail to impress us. At the rear, the tail lamps are connected with a unique reflector garnish, imparting a wider look and sports a very unique design of the tail lamp that goes very well with the design language of this Sonet. The thin red strip running between the muffler goes well with the wild design philosophy of this sub 4 meter compact SUV. When you decide to venture into the wild, you get 3 engine options to choose from. The naturally aspirated 1.2 liter petrol, 1 liter 3-cylinder turbo GDI petrol, which is a test car for the day, paired to 6-speed IMT gearbox that churns out 120 bhp of power and 172 Nm of torque, and the 1.5 liter diesel engine. Once you step inside the car, you are spellbound by the supreme quality offered on a car of this segment. Sensibly designed, keeping the comfort of the driver and passenger in mind, the Sonet's interior have been crafted to give a refreshing, unique and enjoyable ambience in the compact SUV segment. The GT line trim comes equipped with red stitching on the steering wheel, seats and door armrest with controls for infotainment system and cruise control. The steering too gets the GT line branding on it. The design language is also complemented by many first-in-segment features, including the driver and passenger side ventilated seats, a feature that will be very useful in the hot and humid weather and will be loved by many Indian consumers. The showstopper on the dash is the largest in segment 10.25-inch touchscreen with infotainment and navigation system. To bring alive a concert-like sound ambience, the Sonet offers premium audio experience from the house of Bose via the 7-speaker system with subwoofer. The small and stylish console with buttons running around has access to many first-in-segment features. In case your smartphone's battery is draining down after a long day of continuous usage of a flagship device, do not worry about fiddling with cables, as the smartly placed wireless charging pad will juice it up when you are driving in the jungle. While you could still live with the digital speedometer, the quirky tachometer seems short of an ergonomic design. But we aren't complaining much because designs are subjective. The rear seats offer a center armrest with cup holders for your piping hot cup of masala chai. The attention to detail on the red collar running across the cabin of Sonet is definitely something to appreciate. The rear AC vents will be a boon for the rear passengers in the scorching summers of a tropical country. In case the premium music system did not uplift your spirit, the mood lighting should do justice for you. If you feel claustrophobic with the limited space inside, you could fulfill your daily dose of vitamin D by pressing this button to open the sunroof. In the unprecedented times of COVID-19, an air purifier with virus protection is in need of an hour, and looks like Kia has worked out to add this feature along with a built-in perfume dispenser. We believe this is something that should be adopted by other manufacturers too.
Once you move to the rear of the Kia Sonet, the first thing that you instantly realize is the rear seat is not wide enough for 3 people. 2 people will be good enough for long drives, but having a third person here is going to be a squeeze. The legroom is decent, but taller passengers will definitely ask for higher headroom. In case you want to store more of goodie bags, you have a rare parcel tray there that does the job for you. Every car has distinct driving dynamics. Well, some are good to drive, some are for good ride and handling characteristics. Sonet offers a mix of both the worlds in fair composition. It's not the car that's going to drop your jaws when you push it around the corners, but it's not going to disappoint you either.
Once you tap the throttle, you do feel acceleration kicking back. The low end grunt is fine, but the mid range is where you actually go wild with the Sonet, but at the same time, you are restricted by the vocals coming from the hood, thanks to the 3 cylinders which are craving for better refinement levels. The steering feels light on the lower speeds but weighs fine and is fairly direct on higher speeds.
The best part about this particular variant is the IMT gearbox, which is nothing but the intelligent manual transmission gearbox. It is essentially a blend of manual and automatic transmission. Just that there is no physical clutch in the car, but the clutch is inside this gearbox, which is very intelligent enough to sense that you are changing gears and it operates automatically. You do not have to take your foot off from the accelerator while changing gears, and there is no evident turbo lag. Apart from some cases where you're changing the gears from say 2 to 4 or 3 to 5, you do experience some lag. Let's get the facts straight. It's not even remotely as responsive as a typical manual transmission, but this is more about offering convenience at a very small premium of just 20,000 over the manual variant. And trust me, 10 out of 10 times I would pick this IMT gearbox over a conventional AMT.
The suspension of the Sonet is on a stiffer side. We drove the Sonet to some of the rough roads and it's definitely not the most comforting ride we have had. You can actually feel the bumps at various speeds. Considering that this is going to be a mass market car, we would have certainly appreciated if the ride quality was less bumpy. Having said that, this Sonet does not show any kind of nervousness when you push it hard around the corners, especially in decent triple digit speeds.
Kia is one of those brands that does the homework really well before launching a new product. Sonet is definitely one among them. It ticks most of the boxes right. It looks well, it drives pretty decent, has decent ride and handling capabilities, and is loaded with all the bells and whistles that you could expect in this price bracket. Although we do not know about the pricing information yet, but going by the Kia trends, we expect this sub 4 meter compact SUV to be very competitively priced. If that is the case, we are confident that the Sonet will help the brand increase their sales volume by a significant margin and strengthen their footprints wider in India.
Once it's launched, we expect the Sonet to lock horns with the likes of Hyundai Venue, Tata Nexon, Mahindra XUV 300 and the segment leader Maruti Vitara Brezza.
Thank you for being part of the video review of Sonet. If you guys like the video, do not forget to subscribe to our channel and follow us on Instagram. Take care, drive safe, and more importantly, stay healthy.